Service learning is one of the recognized instructional strategies which connects learning with real-world problems by conducting community services for the society. Undergraduate students from University Technology Malaysia are being taught lessons that cannot learn from the book. UTM students are now stepping out from the classroom and solving community problems while serving the community. Community Computer Network Infrastructures, or in short called as Com²Nets, is a project where students planning and designing a computer network infrastructure for a school building with a poor internet and cabling infrastructure. The instructor of the course partnered with IT network experts from Telecom to engage on students' projects so that the community of experts in the field can teach them skills from their field and critique their work using professional standards. The Com²Nets project was conducted in the course subject ICT for Community for the purpose of UTM students teaching and learning. Objectives of the project are: first, to increase knowledge and skills on computer network infrastructure among school community by UTM students from theory to practice. Second, to design computer network infrastructure management for school community. Third, to develop computer network infrastructure for maintenance in a school community. Fourth, to promote students' engagement in academic course for computer network infrastructure learning through gamified hybrid service learning. Finally, fifth, to support students' mastery in generic skills development through gamified hybrid service learning for computer network infrastructure course. Here are among the schools and school communities involved in the Com²Nets project. The school communities involved in this project including school students and teachers. In Com²Nets project and to engage students learning, a gamified hybrid service learning online platform was proposed as an innovative teaching and learning. With gamified hybrid service learning, the objective of the Com²Nets project can be achieved through this online platform to enhance students' service learning experience. Also, to increase students' charitable and volunteer work. Furthermore, to help develop important academic and generic skills required to build a better community. In gamifying students' service learning experience, the instructor design and appropriate instructional strategies in service learning and integrate a gamification element system to unleash the creative features from the gamification reward system. The gamification element system has encouraged students in learning and competing with their peers to earn points for online discussion. Second, students are able to gain badges for every work collaboration with the community of experts and locality-based community. Third, students also able to gain levels to pass the next part of the learning activities. And finally, from each levels, students can see their leaderboard's position. To suit service learning ambience, the gamified hybrid service learning online platform encourages students to collaborate with community of experts and meet local community who form the integral parts of learning expeditions. In preparation and planning for the Com²Nets project, students were required to discuss in virtual meetings, write meeting minutes, and track progress project milestone from the Gantt chart discussed. In the various virtual meetings, students were to summarize their discussion and inform their progress in the forum discussion for the reflective learning. The online course titled Introduction to Cable Network Infrastructure was designed by UTM students for facilitating the school community involved in the project. And advocacy service learning was utilized as a service which provides a means in educating school community about computer network infrastructure so that they know the basic of cabling network infrastructure and know how to do maintenance for school community that have poor cabling infrastructure. The service learning was also conducted in hybrid type 3 model, in which the learning takes place face-to-face meeting, on-site meeting, online meeting and online learning. To ensure the school community experience a transfer of knowledge and skills in addressing schools with poor cabling infrastructure, the Com²Nets project involves school community to enroll in the online course titled Introduction to Cabling Network Infrastructure. In order for UTM students to engage in the learning activities, gamification elements including points, badges, levels, and leaderboards were integrated in ICT for Community online course. The gamification elements were designed as a reward system based implemented in community service project to foster engagement and drive learners' retention. In this way, students can serve better the community in organized manner. A team-based approach was utilized where UTM students were required to form team members by holding teams responsibility for planning and preparation the advocacy service learning in Com²Nets project. Students were asked to select committee members and to take roles in the management team to ensure that the Com²Nets project would run smoothly. In planning to advocate a computer network infrastructure, UTM students collaborate with community of experts to learn from professionals in conducting cabling infrastructure. The team members brainstorming together with IT experts from telecom in solving problems in school building with a poor cabling infrastructure. The project involved local participants, namely school teachers and school students, working together with UTM students' team committee. With a gamified hybrid service learning, students are able to reflect on their learning in their e-portfolio and make connections from theory to hands-on skills. Students also were engaged in conducting the Com²Nets project and share knowledge to the community. For these reasons, students were able to experience transferable of knowledge and skills through their active participations, engagement, and collaborations with the community. The Com²Nets project has created more opportunities for schools to collaborate together with UTM.
Ini memang memberikan manfaat kepada semua pelajar. Semua pelajar kami ia sangat membantu dari segi memberikan konsep dan juga praktikal kepada pelajar.
Si pembelajaran dapat diterapkan dan dapat membantu saya keseluruhan.
The collaboration has impacted UTM through hybrid service learning program to solve or improve real-life community. The collaboration also has strengthened graduate attributes university students parallel with the needs of fourth industrial revolution. The impact of Com²Nets project to UTM students can be seen in their e-portfolio writings. The Com²Nets project has impacted school community where the community can refer books and online course provided by UTM students. Students have expressed challenges they face when conducting Com²Nets project in their e-portfolio writings. Com²Nets project has collaborated with telecom and other school communities. Here are the acceptance letters provided by each school. Special thanks to Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities and Institute for Life Ready Graduate UTM I-League.